Hi guys, so today I'm showing you how to make the most tender, moist and juicy whole roasted chicken. So good. So let's get started with the recipe. Okay, so first things first is to clean your chicken. I already cleaned mine. Next, I place it in a bowl and I'm using clean paper towel to soak up the extra water on the chicken. Next, you're gonna set that aside and get a bowl, and we're gonna make a rub for the chicken. So in the bowl, I'm placing some mayonnaise, a little bit of sour cream, one packet of ranch seasoning mix or dipping mix. It's the same thing. Add that in there, and then we're gonna add a bunch of seasoning in there as well. Also, my camera cut off when I added this, but I'm also adding in some melted butter. And you're gonna give that a good mix everything together until it's well combined. So next you want to place the whole chicken on like a cutting board, cause we're gonna rub the chicken down with that mixture we just made, and it could get a little bit messy, so you want to put something flat below the chicken. Okay, next, use your hands. You could put on gloves if you need to loosen the skin from the chicken, because you're going to take that mixture next and we're going to rub the chicken dog really well, you guys. Rub like the chicken breast, the thighs, in between every crease and corner. Rub it down really well. After you rub the insides, the cavity, you're going to rub the outside of the chicken on top of the skin, top and bottom. So this recipe is the same recipe I used on my turkey last year, and when I tell you my turkey came out so moist and tender, it was amazing. Okay, so yeah, trust me on this recipe, you guys. You want to add it on your chicken too. Okay, so next I'm gonna take one apple and place it into the middle of my chicken in the cavity. This is gonna keep the chicken extra moist and tender. So the apple adds to the tenderness of the chicken. Trust me again, you guys. Okay, so you want to add that one apple in there. I'm using a regular red apple. So next, I preheated my oven to 425 degrees, and then what you're gonna do is place your chicken into the baking dish. Then you're gonna cover the chicken really well, really tightly with some foil paper, and then you're gonna place it to bake in the oven at 425 degrees for 2 hours and a half. Okay, after 2 hours and a half, you're gonna remove it from the oven, uncover it. It's gonna be looking something like this. You can baste it with some of that sauce in the pan. All right, just baste the top of the chicken with that sauce, and you're gonna place it back into the oven uncovered this time, and let it bake for about 30 more minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. If you're using a thermometer, the temperature is the chicken should read at 165 degrees, and you know it's finished cooking. So yeah, and that's it, you guys. After the 30 minutes, your chicken should come out fully cooked and looking like this. Absolutely delicious. I let the chicken cool for about 20 minutes or so that it can rest, and then you can slice up your chicken and enjoy. It's so tender and moist. Juiciest whole roasted chicken I've ever had. So delicious. Just make sure you add your seasonings into the mixture we made earlier, so your chicken will be flavorful and so yummy. And that is it, you guys. If you want, you can make a sauce out of the sauce in the pan from the chicken, a gravy to go with your chicken. You don't have to do that, and enjoy. But that is it for today's recipe. I hope you guys give it a try. If you do, let me know in the comments how your chicken turned out, if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel so you can see my upcoming videos. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.